Good morning, Levi. It's Tuesday as I record this, but hopefully Wednesday when it gets uploaded. Today is a big day for me because I am going to be running the D&D campaign that I have been planning for a while for my English class. It's just a one-shot. It's just going to be like maybe 2.5 hours, hopefully less than that. But currently I'm on my way. I packed my bag full of all my stuff. I got Oreos because I have too much dining hall food, and I thought maybe if I gave people Oreos, they would want to hang out with me. It's a real elementary school type beat, but I'm very nervous. I'll probably fill you in on how it goes. But it's a very nice day today, so I'm really excited. Hopefully things go well, and if they don't, well, you will hear about it from me. So, see you on the other side, I guess. I got here way too early, so I'm sitting on the steps and waiting. Okay, I did it. This is like way later, but I actually did the thing. I ran the campaign. We're not done yet. We're gonna finish it on Thursday. Do you like that sun glare? That's cute. It's very nice out, like I said earlier. But I did it. It went really well. Our party was comprised of 2 old British ladies and a middle-aged British lady, which was great. So it's the Queen of England, Betty Crocker, and Liz Truss. So it was great. We had a very good time. I haven't closed the deal on friendship yet, you know, because I don't, it's weird. It's hard to make friends, but it was a very good time. So that's really what matters. And I brought Oreos and they ate the Oreos and it was great. So, and people were studying in the classroom because it was like a study day, but our teacher said we could do it. And they were listening and laughing. So it means I did a good job. But anyway, Levi, I had a lot of fun with that. It went way better than I was worried it would go, which seems to be the case for a lot of things. But I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you Friday.